What's up, extras? Welcome back. I'm super excited for today's video because we finally have a all-new Rogue shape. We have not had an all-new Rogue in quite some time. I believe the last revamp or new size that we got was the Rogue 20, which I'm a huge fan of. I'm very excited to do this unboxing today. Plus, it's also a new color that I have never seen before, but I did see pictures online and I was very excited because it happens to be one of my current favorite colors. Before we get into it though, if you guys are new here, hello, I'm Ralph by Design. I do unboxings, bag related content, things of that nature here on my YouTube channel and over on Instagram. If that is something that does pique your interest, please consider subscribing here and following me there. Both are at Ralph by Design, and without any further ado, let's get into this unboxing. Here we are. Like I said, I did pick it up from Nordstrom, but looking at the shipping label, I do see that it says Nordstrom Direct, One Coach Way, which if you guys are familiar with Coach, that's actually Coach's warehouse. I'm pretty sure this came directly from Coach, not actually Nordstrom. But I mean, anywho, let's open it up because I'm super excited to finally see this new Rogue. Finally, a new Rogue. I'm excited for the new shape. I actually feel like it's going to be more of a everyday, a little bit more casual of a Rogue, if you will. But there we are. Fully factory wrapped, exactly how I like it. I'm pretty certain this actually came out of Coach's warehouse. You just have to buy it through Nordstrom's. You guys can already see the color peeking through there that I'm very, very, very excited for. Green is one of my current new favorite colors. Let's get her open. Oh my gosh, look at that color, you guys. Look at that color. I absolutely love this green. It is stunning. All right, here she is. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, you guys. I am in love with this color and this new shape. Let me give you guys just a little, the usual style number, MSRP, all that good stuff. This is style number CU047 in the color dark lime. It is the Glove Tan Rogue Bag 26 and it retails for $5.50. So it is the 26 on this size. That's going to denote that it does have this east to west shape instead of your standard square. I absolutely love this. The green is the most beautiful shade of green with that silver hardware. I'm absolutely loving. They're calling this pale lime, but I'm calling it avocado. This is just like a guac paradise. I have seen some pictures online in the Coach group that I'm in, and it is absolutely stunning in pictures. It is even better in person, you guys. So it's, the usual genuine glove tan leather that you get on most of your Rogues that are glove tan leather. This is absolutely stunning. I'm going to give you guys a little side by side so you can see the size difference of the 25 and the 26 just for comparison. So if you guys have a 25 at home, you'll understand the more of the shape and the size of this guy here. This is my Basquiat Rogue 25 with snakeskin handles, and this is the Rogue 26. So 25 and 26, you guys can see a huge difference. This definitely is going to hold a lot more, so if you're the kind of person that carries a lot more stuff, 25 might be great for you. But I think for me, this is going to be a great grab and go size, side by side. Definitely it's going to be a lot more portable for the 26, and I absolutely love the look of this bag. This reminds me of a bag that Coach currently has, or they had, and they're actually bringing back. I forget the name, it escapes me right now. I don't know if it's the City Zip. Maybe it's the City Zip. And it's pretty much just this bag, just with longer little like shoulder straps or little top handle straps. Doesn't have the Rogue handles on it. And I don't believe it has the compartments on the inside. So it's gonna have your compartments on the inside just like your standard Rogues do. This one's gonna be leather lined on the inside. You're gonna have your card holder right there in the pocket. One thing that I did hear that Coach addressed with this Rogue is if you guys are familiar at all with previous Rogues, one zipper would work beautifully on it, but the other zipper would kind of get stuck. And I've heard that it was just a one-way kind of zipper. That's why it would do that. But I did hear Coach did address that with this bag, and I will show you guys. It is definitely true. This zips across this way perfectly fine, and then back this way perfectly fine. So Coach finally did address that. Thank you so much, because that's kind of been a headache sometimes. What I normally do is the sticky zipper I leave to one side, and I'll only use the other one to go across, just because that did become a headache sometimes. So the inside is the exact same material and setup as all your other Rogues. It's gonna be that 1941 canvas lining there, and it's gonna have the back snap pocket over there. So nothing too crazy different on the inside. This new shape is really cute. It's like a baguette shape. The current Rogue does really remind me of the Lady Dior bag, which is a very classic bag. I think that's what has made the Rogue so popular, because it's taken that very classic shape. But I personally, myself, I know I'm gonna get flack for this, but I prefer these luggage handles that are on here over the ones that are on the Lady Dior. But there's also a Lady Dior that has an east-west shape like this, and I guess Coach just had to follow suit. But I will say it is very well executed. I absolutely love it, especially in this pale lime with the silver hardware. It is absolutely stunning, and I think this is gonna be a great everyday grab and go size bag Rogue for me. It's gonna fit a phone very easily, plus card cases. If you carry one of those Continental wallets, the big ones, that would probably definitely still fit in here as well too. Perfect shape for like sunglass case, cell phones, Continental wallet, things like that, those long pill cases. This is gonna be a more ideal shape for me that I can fit more, and it'll actually be in a smaller shape that is gonna take up less space. I'm super excited for this, you guys. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of the color and of the shape. I'm over the moon about this one. This is gonna be quickly put into rotation for me. I'm obsessed. I can't wait to accessorize this, dress this up, and serve you guys some looks on Instagram. If you guys want to see more posts about this bag and looks and whatnot, you guys make sure to follow my Instagram. It is Ralph by Design. I will be posting more there. I post a lot of stories. So it does come with the shoulder straps. So if you want to just tuck the handles on the inside or just fold them flat, you can actually wear them on a short little shoulder kind of moment there. I think that is extra cute. If that's not your vibe, it still comes with the classic shoulder strap that you guys can wear either crossbody or long shoulder wear. It looks like they did switch up the buckle on this one though, I will say. This one's gonna have a little bit more of a rounded off buckle to where the standard Coach shoulder strap that's been coming with all the other Rogues is more of a square. Just a little detail that I did notice, all the hardware seems to be nice. I really do like this silver finish. This avocado color that they're calling pale lime is absolutely stunning. Dust bag was in there, all the goodies. Let me know down below in the comment box what you guys think, your thoughts on the new Rogue 26 and this gorgeous color. Is it for you? Is it not for you? This design, this color is absolutely for me, and I could definitely see myself adding a few more Rogue 26s in different colors to my collection. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one, and don't forget, stay extra out there. Bye!